The power of faith. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning/afternoon/evening. Today, I stand before you to discuss a profound and timeless concept that has shaped human history and continues to guide us through the trials and triumphs of life. Faith is a force that transcends boundaries, connecting us in ways that logic cannot always fathom. It is an unwavering belief, a trust in the unseen, and a source of strength when faced with the uncertainties of our journey. In times of darkness, when the path ahead seems obscured, it is faith that becomes our guiding light. It is the beacon that instills hope, reminding us that there is a purpose beyond what our eyes can perceive. As Helen Keller once said, "Faith is the strength by which a shattered world shall emerge into the light." Let me share with you a verse that beautifully captures the essence of faith. It comes from the sacred text. Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. Hebrews 11 verse 1. Bible. These words underscore the fundamental nature of faith, a confident trust in the promises and possibilities that lie beyond the visible horizon. It encourages us to persevere in the face of challenges, knowing that there is a purpose to our existence. Faith is not confined to religious contexts. It extends to our everyday lives, influencing our relationships, ambitions, and dreams. It is the catalyst that propels us forward when the road ahead appears daunting. As we navigate the complexities of our individual and collective journeys, let us cultivate and cherish the power of faith. In conclusion, let us remember that faith is not the absence of doubt, but the triumph over it. It is a choice we make every day to believe in the goodness of humanity, the possibility of change, and the resilience of the human spirit. May we all find strength in our faith, and may it serve as a guiding force as we continue our shared expedition through life. Thank you.